Knife heads, how's it going today? Today I'm going to show you a special knife to me. I really enjoy this one. I really be digging on it. So let me just show you and let's see what you guys think. Look at this. Look at this Copperhead. This is a Copperhead. It does have Corlon handles. I love that blue with that white, whatever you want to call that in there. But the main attraction oh sorry I got off by looking at it. Look at these bolsters. Someone's put a lot of work into this knife. Look how it's got like that diamond. Got like 3 dots. Got all this file work on both sides. Want to see something cool? Check all that file work out. Now, if that ain't a beauty, I don't know what is, gentlemen. This is the POW side. I'm trying to slow this one down for you guys can get a real good look at it. Because this is amazing. What do you think about that? Check this blade out. There's the person that did the designs. Kid. Well, bam! Check that out. He does an awesome job. I don't know if he still does it, but I got 2 or 3 of his pieces that he's done artwork like this on, and I absolutely love them. This is a 9249. Copperhead. Got the Corlon handles. Got them done up blades. Look at the liners. That is absolutely a great custom knife. And if you guys would like to see more of these customs I got, let me know down in the comments. And I'll be happy to show them to you. And I was wanting to ask you guys, I've been putting these videos out at 5 a.m. I've been setting the release date for 5 a.m. of the mornings. And I want to see if you guys is okay with that, or if I should switch it back to like 8 or 9 of the morning. I just started doing 5. That way all my people that works, they have a chance to watch it on the way to work or something like that. Or while they're getting ready for work. So if you guys wouldn't mind, let me know. I want to do whatever makes you guys happy. And I got this bad boy. I kind of dyed this bone by accident. It was lighter. This is emerald green. And I did a short on this knife yesterday, and you guys could see the bone is a lot lighter than the short. But the blades was real sticky. They didn't want to shut. See how that slams down now? Well, I went and cleaned it yesterday. And I took WD-40 and I sprayed in it, you know, just to loosen all the gunk up. And it got on the bone and it darkened it up a little bit. But I think I like it better dark. But it was real sticky. You hear that? It wouldn't do this yesterday. Hear that pop? It wouldn't do that. It was in real bad shape, and I had to fix it. It didn't have a pop at all. But if you guys want to see that, I'll let you know. I'll probably shoot a video on that knife. I don't know, but this is a little short one. I done put one out today. I'm going to throw this one out here in a few minutes. I just wanted you guys to see that Copperhead of mine and see if you guys like these customs, because I got 4 or 5 customs. If you guys would like to see them, I would show them. Come on, baby. Y'all stay classy. You hear?